Are you curious about how car airbags work? Let's break it down one crash at a time. Car airbags are designed to protect you in a front-end crash, deploying faster than the blink of an eye. But how do they work? When sensors detect a severe collision, they send an electric signal that triggers a chemical reaction, inflating the airbag with harmless nitrogen gas. This all happens in mere milliseconds. Airbags only deploy in specific crash scenarios like front-end collisions with another vehicle or a solid object, at speeds usually between 13 and 23 kilometers per h. They're not meant for rear-end, rollover, or most side crashes. Each airbag system is unique, with variations in deployment speed, force, size, and shape. After inflating, airbags deflate quickly thanks to built-in vents, ensuring they don't restrict your movement. Remember, airbags are complex computer-controlled devices. For detailed info about your vehicle's airbags, always consult your manufacturer. Stay safe out there. Until next time.